Don't buy a fly fishing outfit until you watch this. Most beginners waste money before they even make their first cast. The wrong rod weight, the wrong action, a cheap reel, bad line, and suddenly fly fishing feels hard, frustrating,